Welcome back everyone, Crowon here, and now we're going to tackle UCE Buff Experience. So let's get that imported into our project. Buff Experience, import, and we have one issue. That's fine. We'll go ahead and check out our README. So show that in Explorer. Mine opened over here, and let's double click our README to get it open. Alright, and then we'll double click our error and go right to it, and all it's telling us to do is take this section here and either comment it out or delete it, up to you as usual, and we'll minimize that, let it recompile. Alright, there's our recompiling. I'm just going to collapse scripts again here and collapse our buff experience because that is good. So now let's go ahead and create a skill to use our buff experience. So we'll go to resources and skills, and we'll create ourselves another buff ability. So we'll go to uMMORPG skill, and this will be a target buff, and we'll just call it double experience. Or let's follow World of Warcraft's example, rested experience. Right here, we're just gonna put name, so it shows up, so we actually know what we're grabbing. We need to grab an icon. Would be something good for an experience one. I doubt there's anything that says XP. That would be convenient. So we're gonna use this lucky. No, we're gonna use the lucky clover for the next one. No, we won't. We'll use the lucky clover now. And then we'll go on here. We're not gonna put any requirements on it just because we're just trying to test things. So right here we have a boost to experience, and as it says in the description, the decimal is a percentage, so if you put 1, it's a 100% increase. If you put 0.5, it's a 50% increase, and so on. So we're doing this as a rest experience World of Warcraft style, so that would mean it's double. So we want an additional 100% of our experience given back to us as a boost. So that's all we have to do there, and then we can go ahead and set a time. Now, this one we'll leave for 60 seconds just to make it easier on us, because we have to kill monster to make sure it works. So in this one, you might want to set remains after death, especially if you're doing like rested XP. Players get a little mad, they die once, it's gone. But you know, that's up to you. It's your game. You decide. I'm gonna save that, and we're gonna go ahead and jump through our prefabs, entities, players, our warrior again. Find him in our list of skills. Where is it? There it is. I already still got it over from last time. We'll make it an 8, and we'll add our rested experience skill. Now, obviously, you wouldn't want to give this the players the ability to cast this whenever they feel. You'd want to apply it elsewhere, which we do have some other add-ons that can apply that buff for you for rested experience the same way World of Warcraft would. So let's go ahead and save our scene, hit play. And server and play and pick our character. Now we're just going to go ahead, and we're almost dead from last time. So we got beaten up by their skeletons. So we're going to check. So we're at 7.7 experience right here. So we're going to go ahead and learn our skill quick, actually, so we can have it. So there's rest experience. We're going to learn that. Put that down here. Alright, so we're at 7.7. So let's kill this and get our exact value and percentage we're getting for this level when we kill something. Alright, so that put us at 13.4, which, if I have to calculator that out, 13.4, 7.7, don't times them together. You will not get the result you're looking for. That's 5.7. So, we gained 5.7% of our level off of that skeleton. So that would mean we should, if we killed one more, end up at 19.1. But instead, we should actually end up higher than that because we're going to use our experience buff. So it is now on our lucky clover. And we're going to go ahead and kill this skeleton and see if we go higher than that value. And there you go. We went to 24.8, which should be correct. So we gained double the amount of experience required due to having a rusted experience on. So that is everything for getting buff experience in, and I'll catch you in the next one.